Hey everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Scores. Today we are covering three metrics that work together: the Kraken pairs, the Coinbase pairs, and Binance pairs. These three tell you whether a project is listed on the most important exchanges in crypto and how many trading pairs it has on each one. So why are these three exchanges singled out in the security category? Each one represents something specific. Binance is the exchange with the highest liquidity worldwide. Being available on Binance promotes, of course, the growth and reputation of a project. It's clearly the biggest stage in crypto. Coinbase has a high security rating and is known for being extremely selective in its choice of cryptocurrencies. So a Coinbase listing is a stamp of credibility. They don't just list anything. Kraken is known as the follower with a strong focus on security. It only integrates cryptocurrencies that have already been validated by other high-quality exchanges. So if a project is on Kraken, it means it's already passed the test elsewhere. So having pairs on all three means the project has been vetted multiple times by the most rigorous platforms in the space. So let's take a look at Solana, and when we click on the security category, over here with 99 over 100, and we scroll down, we can see the Kraken, Coinbase, and Binance pairs. As you can see, there is 14 pairs on Kraken, 6 on Coinbase, and 16 on Binance. Present on all three major exchanges with a solid number of trading pairs of each. That is maximum accessibility and maximum credibility and maximum security from an exchange perspective. Now let's take at Reallink with a security score of only 26 over 100 when you scroll down. It's interesting. As you can see, there is no Kraken, Coinbase or Binance pair indicators at all. Crypto Scores doesn't even display them. When a project has very few or zero pairs on these exchanges, the indicators simply aren't shown. And the absence speaks for itself. The project hasn't been listed on any of the top three platforms. No vetting, no credibility signal, limited accessibility. Of course, it doesn't automatically mean the project is bad, but it means it's operating entirely outside the most secured and most trusted trading infrastructure. That's a risk you need to factor in. So we can use these three metrics as a quick credibility check. Present on all three with multiple pairs, the project has passed the highest standards in the industry. Missing from one or two, there is room to grow. Absent from all three, proceed with extra caution and make sure you understand why. Of course, and as always, you can click on the number here and you will go directly to the CoinGecko page to see which exchanges are there and which pairs they have. So Kraken, Coinbase, and Binance pairs, the security stamp of the biggest exchanges. Check it on cryptoscores.com and we will see you there in the next one.